Okay, now we'll continue with the minor and cofactor. In that, now we are going to calculate adjoint of a matrix. Matrix should be square. Already I told you. Any matrix first which is a square, we can calculate adjoint of it. Now, what is that adjoint? You should remember. If you have a matrix, square matrix, A is equal to Aij order n into n. Then if we want adjoint of this matrix, it will be denoted by adjoint of A. And adjoint of A is nothing but the cofactor matrix. Means I will calculate cofactor of each and every element in the matrix. And that element will be now replaced by their cofactor. So I get a cofactor matrix. And then this cofactor matrix, whatever you got, you take the transpose of it. Then this matrix will be called as adjoint of a matrix. For example, if I say one matrix, I am taking A11, A12, A21, A22. If I say you write down the adjoint of A, then first thing what I do here, I calculate cofactor of it. So if we want cofactor of it, what I should do? Leave this, leave this. What I should write here? Minus 1 power 2. And then this element A22. Then we go for this element, cofactor of this. So it will come minus 1 power 1 plus 2, it is 3. And then leave this and this, then element left is A21. Then we go for this element, minus 1 power again 3. Leave this, what element will be? A12. And last will be here, it is minus 1 power 4, 2 plus 2, and then the element left is A11. These are the cofactors. We'll take the transpose of it. So what this will come now? It will be A22 minus of A21. Then it comes out to be A12 minus, and then comes out to be A11. Okay, and then we will take transpose of it. Is it right? When you take the transpose, what change will come here? Transpose means first row will convert to first column. So it is A22 minus A21. Then it is minus A12 and then A11. This will be called as adjoint of A. So if any matrix A given to you, adjoint of matrix will be nothing but the cofactor matrix you are going to take, and that cofactor matrix, when you get, you make the transpose of it, you will get adjoint of A. So now I'll take an example by which we will calculate adjoint of a matrix. So write first question please. Now we are calculating adjoint of A of given matrix. Let the matrix is. Now, whenever you do this question, please don't be in hurry because I told you this is a 6 marks question. And whenever it is a 6 marks question, if any one cofactor you calculate wrong, the whole question will go. So it's better. This will be easier way, or we'll say easy question. You can get marks easily from it, but be careful in calculation. And one by one write down all the cofactor. That will be easier and easy, and the calculation mistakes will not be there. So just taking one matrix A, it is 1 1 1 2 1 minus 3, then minus 1 2 and 3. And my question is, you find out what is adjoint of this matrix. So we want adjoint of A. So adjoint of A means we want the cofactors of all. What will it be? C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33, and then we'll take the transpose. Now we'll go for one by one all cofactors. First cofactor C11. When you go for C11, I told you it is minus 1 whole square. Leave this, leave this. Elements left will be 1, minus 3, 2 and 3. Now when you solve it, it is plus. This will be 3 plus 6 come out to be 9. That means the first element which you will get will be 9. Then I go for C12. That means it is minus 1 power 3. 1, 2 means this element. When you go for this element, so leaving this and this, elements left will be 2, minus 3, minus 1 and 3. Now when you solve it, it is minus, it will be 6 minus, what it will be? Minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. So it come out to be how much? Minus 3. So second term comes out to be minus 3. Then we go for third, C13. Then minus 1 power 4. 1, 3 means this element. Leave this, leave this. Left is 2, 1, minus 1 and 2. And when you solve it, it will come out to be 4 plus 1. Is it 5? Yes, it is 5 here. Okay. Then we go on next part. Next elements. We have done the cofactors here. Now I'll take C21. Cofactor C21. Minus 1 power 3. Leaving this element now. So leave this. What left? 1, 1, 2, 3. So it will come minus is here. 3 minus 2. Come out to be minus 1. So it is minus 1. Then we go for C22. Minus 1 power 4. 2, 2 means this element. Leave this, leave this. 1, 1, minus 1 and 3. So what it will come? 3, because this is plus, 3 plus 1 come out to be 4. So next cofactor is 4. Same way C23, then it comes minus 1 power 5. C23 means this element. Leave this, leave this. Left is what? 1, 1, minus 1, 2. Then it come out to be minus 1 outside. Then it will be 2 plus 1. Then come out to be what? 3 minus. So it is minus 3. Then we go for C31. Minus 1 power 4. 3, 1 means this element. Left is 1, 1, 1 and minus 3. So it is plus only. It will be minus 3 minus 1 come out to be minus 4. So this element is minus 4. Okay. Then we go for C32. That will be minus 1 power 5. 3, 2 means this element now. When you leave this and this, left is 1, 1, 2 and minus 3. Here outside is minus, minus 3, minus 2. Minus 5, so it has come out to be plus 5. So it is 5 here. And last will be C33. Minus 1 power 6. Then comes out to be, this is 3, 3, so 1, 1, 2 and 1. What is come out to be? Left plus 1 minus 2, it is coming minus 1. Minus 1 is here. And then you go for transpose of it. So it's a slight lengthy question, but you should know it. And one question definitely going to come in 6 marks in this chapter, and that will be going to calculate, in which adjoint we have to calculate compulsory. Now what is adjoint of A? We calculate further. Transpose of it. Transpose of it means cofactor will convert into, rows will convert to column, column will convert to row. So first row, 9 minus 3, 5, convert into first column. Minus 1, 4, minus 3. And then minus 4, 5 and minus 1. This is your adjoint of A. So keep in mind, we have matrix A, we have calculated what's adjoint of A. So if you are able to calculate adjoint, means you can calculate 80% of the question. 6 marks question, 4 marks you will get for this if you are going to calculate adjoint of matrix clearly. So adjoint, if you want, you should know what are the cofactors. Cofactor already I told you in the last class. Now I told you Adjoint means simply the cofactor matrix. You take the transpose of it, you will get the result. So adjoint, but keep in mind, generally what mistake you do? Only cofactors you calculate. Here, keep in mind, this should be C. By mistake I have written. Generally what we do, only we calculate cofactor, we don't do transpose. When we don't do transpose, question will be wrong. So keep in mind, whenever you are going to calculate adjoint of A, first cofactor matrix and then take the transpose of it. Okay, now we'll continue with this in the next lecture.